Okay, so I filmed this once. This is a new camera for me, but I filmed it in portrait and I wanted to film it in landscape mode. So I am here at Walt Disney World, staying at the Hilton Signia for the first time, and I wanted to give you a quick room tour. I am really impressed with this room. Bear with me as I learn to use this thing. Ooh. How annoying is this? Anyway, this is my first time staying at this property. I stayed next door at the Waldorf Astoria, which is connected to this hotel, but I wanted to give this a shot. It is race weekend here at Walt Disney World, so all of the Disney resorts that I usually stay at are like double the price. So I thought, you know what? I'm a Hilton Honors member. I'm gonna cash in some points. I'm gonna check this place out, and I cannot tell you how impressed I am with this room. I love me a good Disney resort, but let me just tell you that this place is a lot more plush than even the deluxe resorts that I've stayed at. Big, huge king bed. We've got this cool thing on the nightstand where you can tip your room attendant. We've got the room service menu here. We've got a nice clock radio with USB ports. You've got some USB ports here on the side on both of these nightstands. Some really cool lights on the headboard. Of course, the cushy Hilton bed, which I've already been laying on. And then this is probably, for me, the biggest perk is that you can actually turn the air conditioning down to 62 if you wanted. At every Disney resort I've stayed at, I think the lowest you can possibly go is like 68. It's a beautiful room, plush carpeting, an espresso. You've got a whole outlet here for all of your devices, plus here. You've got some shelving and a safe, a little beverage cooler, some really nice deep drawers. I really like this stone top, nice and big. I'm here to work this weekend, so this is actually really nice for me to have this nice workspace. Excuse me. More spots to charge there, and then this nice little chair, an ottoman, another work table, nice huge lamp, which I love. I actually might find a lamp like this for my new house. But yeah, a nice TV. Now I picked this room, so I knew this view was gonna be like this. I'm over the convention center, but I wanted to be at the end of a hallway because it is race weekend here and there's all kinds of kids here and people here, and I thought it'd be quieter without being close to like an elevator, which was the rooms that are more centered over the pool. They have a really nice lazy river here. It's like 60 degrees here, so I don't know what these people are doing, but everyone's in the pool. It's a zero entry pool. You can see from there. Sorry, I'm learning the zoom on this. We're over the golf course. Next door over here is the Waldorf, which I've stayed at before, and this room is half the price of what the Waldorf costs as well. And to me, it's just as nice, dare I say. But yeah, this pool is really nice. And then I believe that is Caribbean Beach Resort right there of Disney. You got the Skyliner going by. You can see that. You've got Hollywood Tower of Terror. You've got the Swan and Dolphin right there. So you could probably see fireworks from this room. I'm really impressed with this. Like I said, I picked this view, so I'm not mad about it because it was my decision. But you could definitely move to the more center area. But I wanted some quiet. And yeah, this is very impressive. Very plush carpeting, very plush furniture. There's room service here, which if you've stayed at a Disney resort, you know the only one that has room service is the Grand Floridian. I'm not putting down Disney resorts. I love them. I will continue to stay at them. But this is kind of a really nice option. I think this room was $386 a night. And just wanted to show you guys. Pretty impressed with it. I'll report back after the weekend.